So students, today we will do exercise 22F, page number 285. So this exercise is related to area of circle. So in the last class we have learned the circumference of the circle. So this was a circle. So this boundary is called circumference. And what is area? Area means inside part. So this is area. So what is the formula of area? Pi r square. Now you all know what is the value of pi, that is 22 by 7, or you can take 3.14. And radius means half diameter. Half of diameter is radius, and diameter means whole part. Whole part is diameter and its half part is radius. Clear, students? Now let us do one question from exercise 22F. The first question will be find the area of each circle. In question number 1, take pi 3.1 by 7 or 22 by 7, and in question number 2 take pi 3.14. So we'll do question number 1 first. So if you are able to do question number 1, now that will be very easy for you to do question number 2 also. So let us do question number 1. So question number 1 is radius is given 14 centimeter and you have to find the area. So area equals to pi r square. So pi, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7, and what is r? 14. So 14 squares. 14 square means 14 into 14. So now this 7 is 14 will be cancelled with 7. 7 2s are 14. So what is left? 22 into 2 into 14. We will get 616 centimeter square. Since it is area, so it will be centimeter square. So the first question is done. Remaining question you try yourself, and if you have doubt you can ask me. So let us do one more question, that is question number 5.1. So in question number 5.1, the question is the circumference of a circular flower bed is 132 meter. Find its area. Clear? So what is the question? The circumference of circular flower bed is 132 meter. So there was one flower bed. So what was the circumference of that flower bed? 132 meters. So I have to find the area. You have to find the area. And you all know, to find area what we need? The formula is pi r square. So pi will be given in code. Pi, you know, 22 by 7. What you have to find? R. So how to find r? So this r we need to find the area. Since circumference is given, so with the help of circumference, how will find area? How will find radius? Let us see. Given circumference is 132 meter. So we all know the formula of circumference is 2 pi r, and the circumference is given in the question, that is 132. So we can say 2 pi r equals to 132. So we'll solve this equation and we'll find the value of r. So 2 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into r equals to 132. So first we'll multiply. So 2 into 22 will be 44. 44 into r will be 44r. Remaining in denominator, that is 7. So 44r by 7 equals to 132 by 1. Nothing is there means we can put 1. Value will not change. So 132 by 1. So what we'll do now, we'll do cross multiplication. So 44r into 1 will be 44r, and 7 into 132, let it be this way. So it will be easy for us to calculate. So r will be 132 by 7 and 44 comes down. So when we will cancel it, we'll get the value of r 21 meter. So we got the value of r 21 meters. So now we can easily substitute the value in the formula, that's pi r square. So area will be pi r square. The value of pi is 22 by 7, and r just now we got 21 meter by comparing with circumference. So we got r now 21 meter. So we will put the value of r in formula. So 22 by 7 into r square, that is 21 into 21. Now we'll cancel 21 with 7. 7 3s are 21. So what is left out? 22, 21 and 3. We'll multiply them. We'll get 1386 meter square. Since the radius is in meter, so when we find area, it becomes square, that is meter square. So this way this question is done. So I'll be giving you some question. Do it in your copy. That's all for today. Thank you, students.